Hey, let's have a brief look at the movie King Petar I, which appeared on YouTube a few weeks ago, and let's learn something new about this old king who fought for freedom. King Petar was the grandchild of Karadjordjevic the Great. Because of a conflict between two royal dynasties, his family was exiled in France. As a young man, Petar joined the French Foreign Legion. He fought in many wars and received a medal in the French War against Prussia. Today, a statue of his bust is in the Museum of the French Foreign Legion. After serving in the Legion, he returned to Serbia illegally and fought against the Turkish occupation under a fake identity. He married the daughter of a Montenegrin king, and they had 5 children. In 1903, after a putsch, he took over the throne. He was loved by most of the population, and many of his orders and telegrams were sent from a local pub, Evropa, in Belgrade. He always cut his hair in the soldier style. And now, a little bit about the movie. Do not expect super entertaining scenarios, considering that this movie is based on historical facts about the beginning of the war and the Serbian retreat. I recommend this movie because of its accuracy, especially in its scenography. Many of the scenes in the movie are remakes of historical recordings and pictures. Even the story about the child soldier, or the mom who brings her son's socks to King Petar, are known to be true stories. The only bad things about this movie are the small size of the subtitles and the unfortunate YouTube commercials. See you in the next video.